side is my JR pass, right side is the ticket. So I have paid like 4,900 for Nozomi supplement. So they have mentioned on the ticket. So that comes around 2,700 rupees. Sakura, blooming flowers. They are everywhere. Within 3-4 minutes we will be in Tokyo Central Station. It is 520 kilometers or almost, and we have completed in 2 hours 30 minutes. So that is the power of Nozomi bullet train.
まもなく終点東京です。中央線、山手線、京浜東北線、東北、高崎、常磐線、総武線、京葉線、東北、上越、北陸新幹線と地下鉄線がお乗り換えです。お降りの時は足元にご注意ください。今日も新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございました。Tokyo Terminal in a few minutes. Passengers moving to the Chuo, Yamanashi, Keio, Takasaki, Please change trains here at Tokyo Terminal. Thank you.
東京19番線に到着、お出口にしてあります。車内に忘れ物なさいませんよう、お手間にもう一度お願いします。列車本内で広く空いている箇所がございますが、足元にお気をつけ。コックアグルの方は手をつないで降りていただきますようお願いします。本列車到着後は折り返し運転のため車内の点検整備を行います。お近くのドアからお降りいただきますよう
Getting down from Nozomi train. So this is Nozomi train. I am just got down from Nozomi. So this is Shin Osaka to Tokyo train. So 222. So it started at 8:06 and arrived Tokyo at 10:33 on time. So now I have to go and take Yamanote line to go to other Akihabara or any other place. Let me see if I can cancel my today's 11:30 ticket to Nagoya. So based on that I can plan. So I want to go instead of 11:30, I want to start here at 4:30. So and tomorrow I can do Kyoto and Nara. Yeah. This is the train which I took from Osaka to Tokyo. So I think maybe when Vajpayee was as a Prime Minister, he came to Japan and took the same route, same train from Osaka to Tokyo. So to introduce these bullet trains in India. So this is very popular, Nozomi train. So from Osaka to Tokyo or Tokyo to Osaka. So this is my train today, for today, 222. So departure 8:06 and arrival at Tokyo at 10:33. So this is another Nozomi train number 341. So going to Shin Osaka, it will start at 10:54 AM. So this is one more Nozomi. So I came via this platform, track 18. So my train is at see, now it is going back to as Nozomi 343. So going back to Hiroshima. So this number is now 67. So at 10:48 it will leave now from same track 19. So which I came now just now. So they are just cleaning the train. So immediately it will depart. So I am taking this exit to go out of Shinkansen gates trains, Shinkansen area. So then I will go to ticket office. So these are the shops again, shops, restaurants, wash toilets in Tokyo Station. Look how beautiful they are. So their design, their architecture, their ambience, so is second to none. They are excellent. So see, I am just looking for a ticket office, so that if possible, I can see that Shinkansen ticket office. So if possible, I will cancel my 11:30 Nagoya train ticket. So then I will book it for 4:30. So at least I can spend here for 4.5 hours. So in Tokyo again. So I don't know when I will come back again. So it is better to spend some time and visit maybe Tokyo Tower. So there are Shinkansen tickets, you can see. So there are tickets. If I can't cancel the ticket, so I have to immediately, maybe within 40 minutes, I have to go back to Nagoya. So because I have spent some time taking videos and photos in the station. So you can see our JR lines. So you can see Metro, Tozai line, Sapia Tower, Marunouchi line. So I have to go left for ticket office. Looks like it will be busy because everyone will be going there and taking. So this is the ticket office. So I will stand in the queue. Looks like there are 3-4 persons in the office, so might not be more waiting. Now I have cancelled my first ticket from here Tokyo to Nagoya at 11:30 AM. Then I have booked at 4:30 PM. So from Nagoya to Shinosaka, I have booked around 7 PM. So that guy who is sitting there helped me. So this is Tokyo Shinkansen gates. So you can see all Tohoku, all Shinkansen, Bullet Train, Yamagata, Akita, Hokkaido, Jeitsu, Hokuriku Shinkansen, they are all Shinkansen. And Tokaido, which I came just now, Sanyo Shinkansen, so which goes to Nagoya, Kyoto, Shinosaka. So they are all Shinkansen platforms. So this is Marunouchi North Gate. So see the brush for bullet trains. People are very, very not craze. I can say they need Shinkansen for business, for travel, for all other things, for going with family. So they travel by Shinkansen. That's why it is very busy. So now I am going to Tokyo Skytree. So I will take Marunouchi line. So which is M, which denotes by M, is a red color. You can see. So I have to go right side. So this is Marunouchi line. So this also you can see Narita Airport, Narita Express line. So which we can take to airport to go to airport. So I have to take now Marunouchi line. So even JR East travel service is there. So they help very well. So their response is very quick. So even I have cancelled now 3 tickets and rebooked 2 tickets, and within a couple of minutes. So that he helped me a lot. So their service is like that. So you can see Tokyo Central Station. You can see the buildings near Tokyo Central Station. So this looks amazing. So this is with red color building. So red color brick building, this is very famous, Tokyo Central Station. So last day, 2 days back, I have visited this and I have recorded video. See the buildings. So it is nothing looking less than Manhattan or Singapore, Central Business District, CBD of Singapore or Kuala Lumpur. So shoe polish is for 1100. Shoe polish is for 1100 yen, like almost like 600 rupees. So brick building. This is very famous.